హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఏంజల్స్ ఫ్యామిలీ లాగ్స్. ఈరోజు మేము లేపాక్షి టెంపుల్కి వచ్చాము విత్ మై కొలీగ్స్. వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉందో తెలుసుకున్నాము. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ సునీల్. ఓకే, Raju sir is going to ask some questions about their experience and they are exploring whatever they are seeing here.
Hi sir. So how you came and how you know this place and what is the experience like? Did you like this temple or not?
How I came to know this place, obviously the credit goes to you because you are the one who initiated this whole plan. And I did enjoy my driving experience traveling all the way from Bangalore to Lepakshi. And the architecture is too good out here. I like the way the raw carvings have been done from the stone, right? So it's not too commercial, and I do like the environment out here. So once again,
Yeah, even we also enjoyed, like we came with all the families. So can you come forward and speak something? Siv, please, and give. Hey, what about Bhavya? A PwC expert, come here. PwC consultant, please.
Yeah, what was your question, Raju?
My question is like, so have you experienced? No. So what is the experience like?
No. It was a nice experience, sudden plan, and we started from Bangalore and came through the highway. Sunil was a great driver today. Like he's learning the thing, but he's a very steady. And then
But
we had
what
some
about this temple?
nice breakfast, and then we entered this temple. Temple is very good, like very old architecture and all. I saw that hanging pillar as well there. The cloth was passing through. That was nice, new experience for me. And inside there was Virabhadra temple and all. So it was a really nice experience.
Thank you.
With all of you.
With
Huh?
all of us, it's
Thank
a
you,
very
guys.
nice experience. Yeah, Satvik, okay na? Satvik, so where you came and how you came and what is the experience after visiting this temple?
This temple is very nice. And pillar is
Hanging pillar is there.
hanging pillar is there.
Did you visit that hanging pillar?
Yes,
So how was the experience?
it is very nice and it is this.
So who and all came this temple
Mm,
with all the families?
yes,
Okay, hope you enjoyed.
yes.
Okay, thank you, Koti.
Thank you.
Yeah, now come here. Come here.
Come here.
Come here. Lucky and Vijay. Telugu also.
Can I speak in Telugu?
Welcome friends.
How do you? Ready?
Welcome friends.
Welcome friends.
Welcome friends.
Welcome friends.
మేము లేపాక్షికి వచ్చాము.
లేపాక్షికి వచ్చాము.
టెంపుల్ చాలా బాగుంది.
టెంపుల్ చాలా బాగుంది.
మేము చాలా ఎంజాయ్ చేసాము.
మేము చాలా వచ్చాము.
ఎవరెవరు వచ్చారు చెప్పండి.
టాలో
ఎలా ఉంది?
బాగుంది.
Yeah, hi, my name is Bhavya.
Hi, my name is Bhavya.
Here. We came to Lepakshi.
We came to Lepakshi.
I find my new friend Lucky.
I find my new friend Lucky.
Introduce yourself. Say. Happy Friendship Day.
Happy Friendship Day.
Nice place, please.
No.
Hey, hi Tani.
Yeah, hi Koti.
How was the experience to came
Yeah, it's
Lepakshi?
a really nice place and all, and I will suggest everyone can plan to come once and enjoy this place.
Oh,
Yo.
what about your friend, your partner?
So what about your partner Tani?
Partner is easy.
So partner not male partner, female partner.
Now my partner is easy. Our actual partner, real partner.
ఎవరున్నారా? Jatayu theme park is like Jatayu theme park. Yeah, hi. Hey, hi, Shiv and hi.
Come. Yeah, tell us.
Come here, na.
Come front.
Cameraman.
Focus.
Cameraman. Okay, last lo cheppali kada. Okay. Hi. I think you people are so looking lovely and so where you came from and how you came and what is it? What is about this place? What do you feel experience?
Yeah, we came from Bangalore.
And I also came from Bangalore.
And
So
what
we
is
are
your relationship?
Lovebirds.
Lovebirds.
Not
Okay.
married yet.
Okay, not married.
Thinking of marrying.
Okay.
Okay.
How many kids we have?
6 or 7 around.
6 or 7 around. Okay, but where they are now? Where they are?
I kept home.
Okay.
We are
Who
very
is
cruel.
taking care of them actually?
No one. They are
Okay,
roaming
then
around.
forget about that. So what is this place actually? So how you came and how?
So we came with our bad friends.
Okay.
Bad group. Okay.
Okay.
They called us.
They called us
join,
suddenly.
Okay.
And especially Raju named guy.
Uh-huh.
He just called us yesterday. And we joined today morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Everything goes on
I
Raju.
I heard
Actually,
about that
we
Raju
don't
is a
have
very
a
good
plan.
guy and like
We
he's the one
didn't have a
who.
plan, but
who-
Raju forced us. That's why we came.
But I heard so many people that Raju is a very good guy.
See,
and,
Raju
he's
is very good
He's
for.
a old guy, but he is very good and.
See, Raju is very good for which people?
Ah.
Like bad people like us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bad people will go together.
So
to
what
hell,
you
na?
like? You came here now. What is this place called?
This place is Lepakshi and Jatayu temple is
Okay.
Jatayu statue is there, right?
Okay.
And when Ravana was taking Sita, taking Sita to Lanka,
Mm.
Jatayu tried to stop them, correct? So that's where like Ravana chopped off Jatayu's wings,
Okay.
and he
He
fell here.
Madam, don't disturb him. Actually, he's feeling. Don't break him. Actually,
Yeah,
it's like while in between you are speaking, na, it's like speed breaker kind of. Okay. Don't mind. Please continue, sir.
That's right. So this is the history of the place, and we are really liking it. Nearby, like today's weather is also very good.
Weather also very good.
Like-
Enda putting,
Hmm.
chamtak. That you can like.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, so what about lunch actually? So-
Lunch, like
it was
today we had a
delicious.
great picnic.
Huh?
Picnic.
Ah.
I remember my childhood days.
Oh.
When we used to take all our food together
Hmm.
and had
Yeah,
some
that
plates and
credit goes to Jhansi.
Janu.
Jhansi, yeah,
Jhansi,
Jhansi,
yeah.
yeah.
Koti and Jhansi.
Ah, yeah.
Koti
Koti
is
and
like
Jhansi.
supporting help only,
Yeah.
nothing. But main credit.
But the dish what she prepared, did you like exactly?
Pudina fried rice
Ah,
is
it's-
too good.
Pudina fried rice is good.
too
Ah.
good.
And then that muri we tell it, what you call, I don't know, puffed rice.
Puff rice.
Puffed rice was very good.
That credit goes to my wife Kavita.
Oh,
Ah, yeah.
that is too good.
That was also very
That
good.
is good, na?
Yeah,
Ah,
Thank you, Kavita.
Thank you. No thanks for you. Okay.
Then Kesari Bath was there.
The Keshari bath was there.
It was
And then
also
what about this bullshit guy?
This guy is very,
Huh?
this guy is very
He's a
enthusiastic.
Ah.
He is continuing his legacy. He has
Legacy.
learned from his father
Oh,
how to be.
the great father. And what about that shy lady?
Child lady.
Shy lady.
Huh?
Shy
Shy
lady.
lady.
Oh.
Shy
Where?
lady. PWC lady. Ovia. Ovia.
She's lady. Oh,
Yeah. Oh,
I
sorry.
came to Now
I think lady only, na? Ovia.
she was roaming around in boys group. only.
Boys group only.
But today,
Ah.
Ovia is like out of the world.
Out of the
because,
world. Yeah.
Mother character
She
we can
is. She is also enjoying with her husband.
Uh-huh.
Full love couples.
But see,
and
Taking
practicing.
pictures.
no, my opinion,
Hmm.
see, if you want to enjoy for themselves, they should have come alone. Like,
Alone. What
alone.
is
Why
this?
they came with families? And what this is not nonsense.
This is
It
not
is
good.
actually.
Ah.
It's not correct. I'm telling you.
They are going into deep dark places.
Yeah,
We
deep
don't
dark
know.
places. All alone. See, all.
I can understand.
Ah.
After so many days, Baba came.
Baba
emotions
came,
are
but
coming
still, no,
out.
it's like
But
legacy.
still,
3 months already done, but still they are.
Still.
See,
but you didn't give that light, na? That's the problem.
Come, light. So, actually, this grass is very good.
Baba
and
is
this
going
stone
away.
also
No,
very
Baba
good.
should not go
And
away.
this lady called the PWC Ovia. PWC
Ovia.
PWC Ovia.
We want some bites from
Yeah. Ovia. What is tell about this guy?
lovebirds.
Lovebirds, yeah.
Ovia, PWC Ovia, please.
PWC Ovia, come. We are catching hold of Baba here.
I am stuck here.
Yeah. So Baba, what is your experience like after visiting this place?
బాగుంది.
No, tell in English, sir.
இங்கிலீஷ்
Ah, Tamil also fine.
ஓகே. இந்த இடம் பார்க்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப சூப்பரா இருந்துச்சு. இந்த ஸ்டாச்சு வந்து வெரி ரியலா இருக்கு பார்க்கறதுக்கு.
ம்.
இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் நான் இங்க வந்திருக்கிறது. So I feel very good experience with good guys,
Good guys, yeah.
family and everyone.
And,
I'm very enjoying myself.
What about that lunch prepared by Jansi?
జాన్సీ మేడం ఝాన్సీ గారికి మిక్క చాలా ఏంటి చెప్పాలి.
Excellent, thanks.
Thanks.
That romba
థ్యాంక్స్
nandri.
అండి. ரொம்ப మిక్క నండ్రి.
Mikke nandri. Yeah.
ఓకే సో నైస్.
Yeah.
ఓకే we are
And
enjoying.
what about this old guy, like looking like
You are also na.
no, after me.
Okay.
See, he looking like all what you call
No.
coach. Like you can see that attire and all, no? So we'll ask him like where he's coming
It's very
from.
decent gentleman.
Decent gentleman, yeah.
Yes.
So actually, in my area, gentleman is like different meaning.
What? What kind of? Please explain that. That is opposite.
But this is like censor cut. We'll speak later. Come.
Okay, fine.
Come.